Alrighty, good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we start off at Summit Racing. We have to start Project Camaro and we need to do some maintenance to the car real quick. We have to go inside. We're going to pick up some power stop carbon fiber brake pads for the car, some racing oil, new oil filter, all that good stuff. Also have to pick up a fuel pump, I think, for an S2000 we're tuning at the shop. Another S2000, yes, that's correct. I told you it's S2000 Mania at the shop. And we're going to head in here and get the parts. Morning. I like that. Alright, so we got brake pads for the Camaro, S2000 fuel pump, and fuel filter there. Now let's get the Camaro over to the shop, get her down. Alrighty, we are back at the shop. We have the parts. We're gonna go give these to Ethan. Got another buddy out here. It's kind of doing the same thing. We won't have the Brembros, we'll have the power stops on it, but it's nice. We'll have the Texas Speed kit on it too. Yeah. This is the similar wing that everybody was wanting me to do here. I like it. Some Mickey Thompsons on it. Looks good. What we don't have there, I like it. Today we are working on Project Camaro, but first we're just going to take you around the shop, show you what's going on, different projects, things coming up. Another S2K. Not bad, not bad. Needs some love. Another 350 here. That one over there's got a hydraulic handbrake, is manual. Then this one right here is getting a big O turbo on it. Super excited about this one to see it when it's done. Right here, we're gonna keep this a little secret, but here's a little teaser of what's to come on this one. I absolutely love it, but there is a big surprise in store for this car. And then we've got Project Camaro. We've got my other boy's Camaro here. This one's getting the same Texas Speed kit that mine is. Today though, we are doing a few maintenance things on the car to get up to speed. Hey Ethan.
A few long overdue items.
Yeah, a few long overdue items.
It's good to have horsepower, but it's good to have brakes
too. So the very first thing we're doing today, these little bumper clips here. So you can see on the Camaros, they've got these really stupid secondary lips on them. Well, they love to get snagged on pretty much about everything and snap those clips there. Well, we're gonna permanently fix those with this. You see it's zip tied right now. It's ugly. We want to get that fixed up. The next order of business is gonna be these carbon fiber ceramic performance pads from Evolution Sport. Got front and rear. It's got all the goodies with it. There we go. So I'm sure y'all remember them from previous episodes. Casey's going to help me with this, but we're just going to get it all lifted up, get it on some jack stands for them, get the wheels pulled off, and get it all prepped up and ready for some maintenance. We're also going to be doing an oil change as well. Man, there are just so many S2Ks coming through now. It is just ridiculous. Can't keep up with them. Is this one getting a tranny or what?
It had a broken, looks like we had to replace this piece here. It had a broken one of those. The S2000 clutch is kind of unique. You gotta put the clutch fork in. Here's the broken piece. You gotta put the clutch fork in. There's what we found in there. I think they mated the transmission up with the motor with the fork already jammed in there, and the fork's got to find the back side of this piece. So it looks like it found the front side of this piece and broke it off. We changed this piece out, and looks like maybe the pressure plate is damaged as well though. So that's kind of where we ended yesterday. Was I think we're gonna pull that pressure plate off, try a different pressure plate, and see if it's happy then.
Sweet. So this car right here is super unique. This is a V6 out of a Honda Accord. And then it's got a huge precision turbo on it. Ethan built this with him. It's fully custom. And let me tell you something. When it's running right, it is an absolute monster. Just monster. Yeah. Oh my God, it's ridiculously hot. Yeah, brake. We got Trista going on over here. Oh, Ethan, you were telling me a story about, let's go over to that Civic, and you were telling me that story before we got interrupted.
The dude supposedly has a $100,000 race, which I mean, I believe it's true. Like, I mean, I know he's raced some other
pretty high cash
races. Like, I don't know where he's finding these people, but I definitely want to go find out.
Yeah, this car is the ultimate sleeper, though.
Well, I don't think it's very sleepy, but definitely some American car guys will not, you know, not know what it is and what to expect. And
yeah,
it launches really well. Even like a poor driver like myself,
yeah,
can cut like a 1.6 60 foot over and over and over.
Yeah.
So I don't know. He's trying to arrange something with his V8 rear-wheel drive cars, asking for like 2-car hit.
Yeah.
Like the V8 car wants an advantage.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
He probably needs it, but you know.
The other thing,
I'd like him to find out the hard way.
Yeah, exactly. Like to find out the hard way. And then, hopefully soon, we've got this coming for you. We're going to keep this a secret, what's under the hood. We've got the very first car that we ever did an episode of Tuned On. Chasing the Dream, the single overhead cam record. Working on his Cresta. Man, this thing is looking good, my friend. Look at all the fittings. He got this powder coated. Looks great. All right, so we got jack stands all the way underneath. Get the last wheel off. Just checking out the tires while I have them off, make sure that they're wearing good. It does look like I have a puncture right there in this one. That is for sure a nice little puncture.
I was thinking that song, Let's Get It Started.
Let's get it started.
I don't know why that's stuck in my head now.
I don't know. Guys, this is Casey. He works here at Trackstar.
What's up?
He's an awesome mechanic, kind of does it all. I already gave you a short little tour of his broken down Skyline in the back. Is it broke down?
Super depressing. Actually, no, it's not anymore. Kirby's did give me a call today and tell me that my new radiator that I just got is bad.
What?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That was awesome. We don't own the rights to any of this music.
No, we don't own the rights to any of this music. All right, so we got brake pads, VR1 Racing Oil in it. We got a new oil filter. We got some carbon fiber ceramic brake pads.
That's actually gonna be pretty cool.
I am really scared to see the condition of these brake pads when we get them off. And boom. Huh?
Why is this here still?
It needs to go.
Okay. Taking it off.
Hurry up.
What am I looking at?
I don't know. Some extra shit that Chevy did.
Yep, I'm an ad, and you can get rid of me by upgrading to the new
Excuse me,
SoundCloud
what?
Go.
Yeah.
You'll get ad-free offline lessons.
Rollers on the pad.
Yeah, but no. So the cool thing about the roller
is,
Well, it doesn't roll is the first thing I see.
well, I mean, not actually roller, but stopper, I guess, is it doesn't let the pad itself come up, period. So if you lose the pins, that'll hold the pad in for sure. Oh my God. Bro.
Oh shit! That's good content though.
That's terrible content. That's fucking terrible content. Bro, this is my fault.
Well, it's not my fault, is it?
It's not even full. It's just not going down.
You know, it is pretty nerve-wracking drilling into a brand new wrapped car.
Bro. It's the scariest feeling I've had in a long time, basically. The tape is crazy how much it helps.
Yes, so Cody at CineFX advised us to put either painter's tape, masking tape, or masking tape and duct tape before we drilled. That way it didn't pull any of the wrap as we were drilling. Plugging the light in on this side, we're going to see how it looks. We did smoke out the side mirrors whenever we wrapped the car.
I just spray paint this thing.
Hey, that's how you fix a bumper clip. Let's look on the back side here. I think we'll have a better view without the sun over here on the other side. It's hard to see.
I actually like how it looks. I really like how it looks.
Told you, I found them on Amazon.
How much were they?
$9.99.
On Amazon?
Yep. The cheapest race shop was $24.99.
Yeah, I know.
So this is a single overhead cam.
What?
I was talking to myself. Oh, I was telling them if they didn't remember this car, that it was a single overhead cam. How many pounds of boost is it on?
23 pounds.
23 pounds. Wow. Very first car we ever did an episode of Tuned on. And it broke the single overhead cam record. All right, sounds like Ethan's doing one more pull over here. It is a lot louder now. So remind everybody, single overhead cam. Yeah. One. Yep. It is a very, very hot day today.
We knew maybe it wasn't going to do the same numbers as it did previously because it's way hot. We had like a nice...
We had a nice day last time, yeah.
I think. Everything looks really happy on that pole.
It is a super hot day, so definitely can't expect to do the same power we did with the weather we had last time.
So they just spilled the oil on the ground like that and then just soak it up? Or is that an accident?
That was an accident.
What?
And everyone keeps bringing it up, and it's fucking hilarious because I totally was harping on this guy. Oh, this guy's such a great mechanic. And then this whole day we've had to film here with this giant freaking pile of Getty letter.
Yo, shout out to AutoZone. For
Yeah, shout out to
sabotaging the fuck out of
AutoZone
me
for sabotaging
on
us.
that.
Yeah. So the Skyline you see me going past to go look at the Civic back there getting dynoed, this is that, guys. I know y'all are going to end up asking a lot of questions about it because I've never showed it. I've never showed it on the channel before.
It is
A conversation piece.
It is a. It is a question. It is a conversation starter. Actually, it's pretty cool. I always get a lot of attention from that thing.
It sure is pretty and crazy. We just got to get it. I mean, RB, right?
It's a RB25. It's actually about to go to paint.
I can't wait for that thing to get painted.
I'm dropping it off to paint probably today.
He also has a Subaru.
Yeah.
But is it for sale?
It is for sale.
It is for sale.
I don't even drive it.
So we're definitely going to hit this boy up on his Instagram. You want to plug your Instagram?
Yeah, definitely can. It is